Thursday, July 6th, 09:46 a.m. New York time. Good morning. This is a review for my swing trade. It was one day. I placed a swing trade yesterday afternoon and placed a working order yesterday afternoon for good till cancel to close them. And they got closed this morning for profits. It was a bearish trade. I was bearish. The SP 500. We're looking here on the far right daily chart. This green candle was yesterday. That's when I went bearish with buying put options near the end of the day. This morning, gap down. Yep, gap from there to there. And now we're inside this gap that I was expecting to get filled sometime. So that gap is now filled. Looking here on the 30-minute chart here yesterday. Different times I was buying these put options. I bought some of them here. The 441 strikes. At that time, it was 17 delta. As well, I also bought earlier the 440 strikes, which also were 17 delta. Of course, the delta has changed throughout that. And this was the 15-minute. So here, looking at the 15-minute chart yesterday, they pumped it up in the morning. Consolidation. Had a sell-off. Retracement back up to this pump-up area. Filled. Yep, looking weak. Let's go down here. Looking weak. So see these yellow arrows? These are the time frames I was buying the put options, considering to either close them the same day for profits or hold on to the next day. I held on to them, which was today, and they all closed here. This first 15-minute down, but really within the first minute, they closed. Let's look at the option chain. Here we are. This is the option chain right here, 6th July. Again, zero right here. They expired today. I bought puts, so puts are on this side. And the strikes I bought, the first ones I bought were the 440 strike. And if you look all the way over here, now the delta is 67. Wow, huge difference. First when I bought them, they were 17. Remember, I bought them at the ask for $26. And to close them right now at 172. So actually, they're worth more now than when they got filled this morning. Because remember, I closed them. I told you at $132. Wow, I left a lot of money on the table for somebody. The other ones were the 441 strike. Again, that strike was 17 delta. Now it's 80, 79, 80, changing. And I bought them at $24 per contract yesterday and closed them this morning at $190. And look at them now. 237. Wow, I left a lot of money on the table. Oh Lord, the struggle's real. Greed. Yeah, I'm glad I closed. I'm glad I took profits. And what I did was when I placed the working orders to close them, I placed the working orders to close at $99. So I got filled better than $99. Let's look back here at the option chain again. My thought was if they gap lower, well, if they gap lower, you're going to get filled at the better price. So I got filled at the better price. I could have placed a working order to close them at $150, $300, $500. If those prices never got posted here, I would never got filled. And what good would that have been? These options expire today. They were going to lose value from time decay fast. Again, because the market is moving fast, rapidly. Let's put this on a 5-minute. There we go on a 5-minute. Put it on 1 minute now. This is the SPX cash. Yeah, look at that rapidly. So you could come back here, look at the 6th July put options today, 3:30 p.m., but before 4 p.m., because these would be zero by that time. Doesn't matter if the stock's lower, they melt away. So the 440 strike and 441 strike, you might want to look at them a few times today just to see what they're priced at higher or lower and how much I left on the table. Again, I didn't lose. I'm a happy camper. And I'd be more happier if I had some more of that green. The struggle's real. There we go. One more thing here on the chart, which I'm going to open up here now on the daily chart. This is the cash SPX, 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. This big sell, red candle, again, it's not done yet till 4 p.m. And then I'll revalidate, that word English did not pronounce word, if I'm going to be doing any swing trades today or sitting on hands. Again, I'm looking for the opportunities for big pullbacks down here. There's some other new places I have to update where the panic, see, this was all panic selling. So if we continue having that down, these levels, green levels, they might be areas where I may be buying call options for swing trades, as well as day trades. So we're going to see how it plays out by the end of today. But between now and the end of the day, I may be scalping financial instruments, but the swing trades, I'm all in cash. They're all closed. Yep. And we're in this here with the option chain. Again, the 441s, I closed at $190. And look at them. They're $261 now. Wow. And the 440s, I mentioned I closed at 132 and they're 180 now. That's where you can see the volume. Huge. So I want to be wondering, people that are buying them here right now, buying puts today after the event occurred. Yeah, so the event I did was a swing trade, contrarian, and it worked out fine. First, these people buy now. If this stock goes back up, they're going to be losing rapidly. Yep. So if you're bullish, one could be on this side right now. I wouldn't be doing that. Not with the future options right now. These options have a lot of prices that are, let's just say, extreme right now. Be better off just to be outright doing the contracts, the future contracts, the ES.